How to move money from OnePay to Cash App. If you use OnePay and Cash App, moving money between them is simple once everything is set up. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to transfer funds from OnePay to Cash App. First, open the OnePay app and log in. Go to your wallet or card section and make sure your OnePay card is active and ready to use for payments. Next, open the Cash App and sign in. Tap on your profile icon, then go to Linked Banks or Cards. Select Add a Card and enter your OnePay card details. Complete any verification steps if prompted. Once the card is linked, return to the Cash App home screen. Tap Add Cash, enter the amount you want to move from OnePay, and select your OnePay card as the funding source. Finally, tap Confirm to complete the transfer. The money should appear in your Cash App balance, depending on processing time. That's all you need to do to move money from OnePay to Cash App. Thanks for watching.